Hey guys, welcome to iFoodReal, where we make healthy dinner easy and delicious. Today we will be making turkey burgers, and they will be juicy with only 5 ingredients. And the secret ingredient is this guy. Anyways, you know how turkey is lean? Well, our burgers are super not lean. Let's do it! So first we're gonna grate zucchini, and you want to use this side. See, these are large grater holes and these are super small ones. So you wanna use the medium ones because that's gonna be the best texture for burgers. This size zucchini is gonna incorporate with the turkey better, and you will not be eating big pieces of zucchini. And I have 2 little guys, and that should be 1.5 cups. And we're not squeezing zucchini. We want all of those juices in our turkey meat to make the burgers juicy. And now we're gonna grate garlic. So now it's time to fry or grill the burgers, and we're going to fry ours because I don't have a grill right now. You will need a skillet and a flat spatula, and the oil I like to use for frying is the avocado oil because it has high smoking point. So to fry the burgers, we're gonna use low to medium heat because you want them cooked through. If your heat is too high, they will brown on the outside and will be raw inside. And you do want a generous amount of oil, I would say about 1.5 tablespoons. So to form a patty, we're making 6 burgers. So let's say take approximately 6 of the meat mixture, and using wet hands helps to shape the patty and make it flat because it does, as meat cooks, it jumps up. So that's the size of your patty, about a medium-sized woman's palm hand. Burger, few lettuce leaves, water one, and we're gonna do nice juicy patty. And then we're gonna put, I like to put ketchup and all the condiments on meat, and I'm making this for my husband. So he doesn't want mayo. And now we're gonna do tomato slice, a few onion slices, because that's what Russians do. They eat a lot of onion, and pickles, and more pickles. And now we're gonna close. Boom! And this is how I like to eat my turkey burger, on a bed of greens, and it's just a simple mix of any greens with olive oil, apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper, and feta cheese. And then I put beautiful burger on top, and then I top it with just like mashed avocado with salt, pepper, and a little bit of lime juice. Kind of Mexican burger. And then I put a little bit of salsa on top. And if I'm feeling adventurous, I can sprinkle some feta cheese on top. And that's how I like my burger without a bun, low carb. All right, and now we're gonna do taste test. And we need a man to eat his burger. Are you ready?
Yes, okay.
Well, I'm ready for mine. That's easier. Cut. Oh, let's do cheers. Let's do cheers. Cheers. Oh, oh my God.
Mmm.
Okay.
So hungry.
Isn't it juicy?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
That is good.
Is it juicy?
Mm-hmm.
Zucchini makes turkey so juicy. I tried before without zucchini. It was a big no-no.
Yeah. Thank you.
Fine. All fair. Cheers.
Mm.
Cheers to delicious and healthy grilling season. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did enjoy, give us thumbs up and likes and whatever YouTube wants to give. And
subscribe to our channel.
And see you next time. Bye. Make the burgers and let us know how you like them.
I can do it again. I'm
Yes.
here. Hi everybody. We're gonna eat the burger. I'm gonna do it like this. Bam. Done.
Taste test.